Fail better, you bastard! Will you stop making that revolting noise, Vivian? You know I'm ill. You're only doing it to make me feel worse.
You're ill. I'm the one who's ill. Listen. Nobody feels any worse than me. And your shouting's not helping at all, Rick.
Oh, stop whining, Neil! God, you're practically brain dead as it is. So I can't see that a pathetic little cold's going to make much difference. You're probably not even ill anyway. You're probably just lying to try and impress us.
Oh, yeah? Well, how come I'm all hot and sweaty then?
Well, I think most of us would rather not go into that. Will you two shut up? I'm trying to be ill. Oh, God. There's nothing left to wipe my nose on. Even SPG's all covered in snot.
True.
Vivian, will you shut up? You're giving me tunnel vision.
Stop shouting, Neil!
Stop shouting yourself.
I am not shouting!
Yes, you are.
I bloody well am not! If you want to hear shouting, matey, this is it! It's funny, but being ill makes me lose my usual tolerant and easygoing approach to communal living. Oh, well, how ruddy considerate, Vivian. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Viv. That petrol bomb's really cleared my sinuses.
Why aren't you dead? I'm not prepared to discuss it with you, Vivian. You'll be hearing from my solicitors in the morning. I'm going to write to my MP.
But you haven't got an MP, Rick. You're an anarchist.
Well, then I shall write to the lead singer of Echo and the Bunnymen.
What's this?
It's a fish, Mike.
Oh, thanks.
Dear Mr. Echo. Why did I do that? Oh, Vivian, beginning to regret it now, are you? Of course I'm beginning to regret it. That was nearly a full bottle of vodka. That's $7.99 you owe me, ploppy pants. Oh, stop being so blinking bourgeoisy. All property is theft, Vivian. All right, then. Where's your girly purse?
Wait a minute, I haven't finished my sentence. I meant to say, what's this fish doing in my bed?
It's not in your bed, Mike.
Oh, yeah, right, yeah, thanks, Viv.
Aha! Found it! You put that back! That's my personal property!
You just said all property's theft, Rick.
Well, yes, it is. Yeah, but so I'm nicking it. Stop! Thief!
Thieves rush in where angels fear to tread.
No, it's fools, Neil. Fools.
Thieves rush in where fools fear to tread.
And Andy Williams said that. Alexander Pope. Oh, well, you're a little snob, aren't you, Vivian? Wimp. Pervert. Nubbend. Oh, Vivian. What repartee? Sticks and stones may break my bones. That is the first sensible thing you have said all day.
Okay, so I've got it now. So what's this fish doing in my bed?
What fish?
Sorry.
That's okay, mate.
Just one more thing. Anyone got a tissue?
Stop it, Neil!
I can't stop it.
Quick, Vivian! The pillowcase! That's so hot, Quick! Stick his head out the window!
throw that.
Yeah, good shot, wasn't it?
That's a bit extreme, isn't it? Won't he suffocate in there?
Very probably, Michael. But we've got to keep the bogies off the wall.
Yeah. Oh, wow. It's really horrible in here. Why did you have to use Rick's laundry bag?
Oh, well, there's gratitude for you. It's me who's going to have to be wearing snotty undies for the next 2 terms, Neil. It's me they're going to be calling Boogie Bum. Especially at the next Friends of Starling Society Show Your Bottom competition.
I'm afraid I couldn't find any needles, Neil, so we'll have to use 6-inch nails.
Vivian, you can't do acupuncture with 6-inch nails.
Well, you better think of something quickly, because this bag's getting really full.
I'm going to the chemist.
Oh, great. What, to get some medicine for our colds?
No, I fancy the girl who works there.
Mike, in that case, do you think you could get something while you're there to clean the toilet with?
What?
I don't think I can, Neil.
You can't clean the toilet, Neil. It'll lose all its character.
We never clean the toilet, Neil. That's what being a student is all about.